Well, it's not going to take air, so I'm going to have to blast it. Here's a homemade blast tank. It's just a portable 10-gallon air tank that I cut a hole in the end and welded a piece of pipe on it. The pipe was threaded on both sides. I cut the pipe in half and welded one side on the tank, and the other side I threaded into this valve that I bought at the farm supply store. It's an 1.5-inch valve, and then the other pipe I flattened the end of it out a little bit, screwed it into the other end of that valve, and so that's my air tank. I'll show you how to do that. I made that tank about 10 years ago, and I've tried this thing about 10 times just now, and that is the first time that it failed me. I've used it 50 times, and there's a problem with this tire. It is super stiff, so I'm going to do one more trick and see if that works, and that's wrap a chain and binder around it. Finally, after the third shot of doing it like that with the chain, I finally got it to take air. So now I gotta make sure I don't lose too much air and have it fall off the bead again while I'm putting the valve stem in. So I'm gonna let it fill up to about 50 pounds and then put the valve stem in. And hope I don't lose the valve stem because it'll blow out of my hand if I'm not careful. I said valve stem, I meant valve core. I'm going to let it air up. It'll take about 3 or 4 minutes, 120 pounds.